All right, so got my green beans washed. It was those, that kind. And I have them washed and I clipped the ends off all of them. That's some bacon grease that I keep stored. I'm just gonna do like a, this is chicken bouillon. Garlic powder. Onion powder. I'm gonna grab a little tablespoon of butter. All right, got my butter in. Put it on a medium heat. Gonna fry them up. While this is starting, I'm fixing to get over here and start mashing up my potatoes. All right, let's take that off. I'm getting the softness from the steam that it's created. There's not much liquid in there, but there is some steam, but that's okay. I didn't add any water though. I'm just gonna get them soft. Then I'm gonna take this off and continue to fry. All right, let's take. Lay it over there so it can cool off. All right. Wow, they are so good. So good. Hope you can see in there. Tastes delicious. Alrighty, let's see. I have my mashed potatoes, my green beans, my hamburger steak, and bread. I need to put the bread in the oven and then I'll be done.
Alright, so Mom made dinner tonight. She made a hamburger steak, mashed potatoes, and fried green beans. I'm gonna try it. That's good.
She said she was hungry. This must be like the fastest taste test video.
It's good.
She said it's smelling so good.
I've never tried fried green beans. Those are interesting. It's good.
Do you like them, or you probably won't eat them?
No,
the
it's
green
good.
beans.
It's good.
I thought they kind of had the when I tasted one, it tasted like asparagus a little bit to me. All right, so is the gravy good? All right, anything I can do better? Maybe get the bread out for you. It's still in the oven.
It's still cooking.
All right, thumbs up. Got her mouth full, she can't talk. All right,
y'all go make you some. This is real good.
All right, y'all have a good night.
Bye, everyone.